Before Marry Me Chicken was all over the internet, this was our Marry Me Stroganoff. Years ago, I made beef stroganoff. Tender beef, mushrooms, creamy sauce, and egg noodles. So today we're making a classic beef stroganoff.
To me, the beautiful thing about beef stroganoff is that it sounds much more complicated than it really is. You need a nice hot pan, some beef, some mushrooms, a few sauce ingredients, and egg noodles waiting at the end. You want to start with a hot pan and a little olive oil, and the steak in a single layer if you can. The goal isn't just to cook the beef. We want a little browning because those brown bits left in that pan are going to become part of your sauce. And if your pan is crowded, work in batches. Crowded beef will steam instead of browning, and you'll lose some of that deep, savory flavor that makes stroganoff taste like more than just beef and gravy. And then once the beef has some color, you're going to bring in your butter and the mushrooms. To me, one of the reasons that beef stroganoff feels so comforting is the mushrooms. They soak up the butter, pick up the flavor from the pan, and give that sauce some earthy richness. Stroganoff is usually traced back to Russian cooking, but the version many American families know became something a little different over time. It moved from old world dining rooms into home kitchens, where creamy sauces, mushrooms, and egg noodles turned it into the kind of dinner that people remembered. Once your mushrooms have cooked down, add the garlic. Garlic only needs a short time here, just enough to wake it up without letting it burn. Then you're going to stir in a spoonful of flour. This helps to thicken your sauce, but it needs to coat the mushrooms before the liquid goes in. Next is your beef broth. As it hits the pan, it loosens all those brown bits from the bottom and starts turning everything into a delicious sauce. Next will be your heavy cream for some richness and the sour cream for that familiar stroganoff tang. Once the sour cream goes in, keep the heat nice and gentle. You want the sauce creamy and smooth, not boiling hard. Then a little bit of Worcestershire sauce gives it some depth. It doesn't take over the dish, it just makes that sauce seem fuller. Egg noodles are the classic choice here because they catch the sauce without competing with it. You want to drain them, but don't rinse them. A little starch helps that creamy sauce cling to those noodles. Then spoon the beef and mushroom sauce right over the top, making sure every serving gets plenty of gravy.
And that is classic beef stroganoff. Tender beef, mushrooms, egg noodles, and a sauce that is rich, creamy, and just a little sentimental. Some recipes become family recipes because they came from a cookbook. Some become family recipes because they were always on the holiday table. And some become family recipes because they were there when life changed. That was the dinner that came before she said yes. Maybe it's not officially Marry Me Stroganoff, but in our house, it kind of is. And the full recipe is in the description, and if classic comfort food is your kind of dinner, we'll save a seat at the table for you.